Welcome back, everyone. Maybe in a position where for some reason your keyboard on your iPhone just isn't popping up no matter what you do. For some reason you click on your specific, app, let's say the Notes app, for example, and it just doesn't want to load up your specific keyboard. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing is trying your best to trigger that specific keyboard. So what this looks like is pretty much just tapping on an area that requires text. So in this case, on the notes, we'll just go and keep clicking on the place that would require text, and you want to keep clicking on it until your keyboard actually pops up. Now, your keyboard may actually never pop up in this type of app. So what the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to a different application. So literally any other application that requires a keyboard, and you want to tap into another text box that requires your keyboard. Now, you want to pay very close attention. If your keyboard is still not popping up even in other applications, well, then there is a problem with your keyboard. But if your keyboard actually does open up on other applications except the one you're going in, you may just want to update that specific application. So make your way over to your app store, and you just want to load up that specific application, and you just want to actually update that application, and that will probably end up fixing that problem. Now, if your keyboard is still not opening up in other applications, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings. You then want to scroll down until you see General, which is right down here. You then want to go ahead and click on iPhone Keyboard. So if you go ahead and scroll down right here, it says Keyboard. You want to click here, and right here where it says Keyboards up top, you want to go ahead and make sure you have some keyboards up here. If you don't have any keyboards, what I would recommend doing is clicking Add a New Keyboard, and you want to click whichever keyboard language you have. And you want to make sure you add a keyboard right here. So you can add the QWERTY and any other of these other keyboards that you want. And the majority of the time, as long as you can see that keyboard right here, as long as you can see that keyboard checked up and everything good, well, you want to go make your way back into those applications, and you want to go ahead and try to open up that keyboard again. I guarantee you 99% of the time you should be good to go, and that's really pretty much all you have to do. If you're still having issues, you can try rebooting your phone. You can also try updating your iPhone as well, and that should end up fixing the issue right there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.